Welcome back to Trial by Fire at our favorite place, Mi Ranchito, and our proud sponsors. This week we've got Bad Faith Dan Eli. How you doing, Dan?
I'm a little anxious. I wasn't ready for this.
To give context, I called Dan last night, didn't tell him what this was, didn't tell him why he was coming, just that we were going to ask some questions.
Yeah, and I volunteered wholeheartedly because I just wanted to help.
Yeah. So, I mean, you kind of know the drill by now.
No, now I know. Yeah.
I'll give you a hint at sauce 3, 4, 5, 6 is when it gets really bad, particularly 5, 6. But the first two are actually really good, and you can actually enjoy the taco.
I am not a hot sauce person at all, so I think at 1 it's gonna start getting a little rough. So let's see.
All right, let's see what we got.
How's it going, gentlemen? Good day.
Hey.
We got our chicken hard shell tacos. First salsa is called El Dorado. So that's just rated about 50,000 Scoville. So we're okay.
A nice, easy
tomato juice.
Okay.
You guys will be fine.
I don't know. 50,000 sounds like a lot.
Enjoy, gentlemen.
All right.
Thanks. It's like pico de gallo, right?
No, it's got some heat.
It is hot. Tacos are good though. It's a little early for that, Dan.
There's no way this is the mildest one. It's going to be a long day.
All right, let's dive into it.
Yeah. I warned you.
We've never had anybody tap on this. So if you do, you will be the first. And you will forever be shamed.
I'm telling you.
All right, so let's kind of introduce you. And you're actually from Israel, right?
Yep.
And you moved to the United States when you were how old?
10 years old.
Okay. Did you know English before you came over here?
A few words here and there, but yeah, basically no.
Okay. And what prompted the move?
My parents
Yeah.
didn't really have a choice in the matter. Just wanted to move here, have a better life.
Well,
And yeah, moved here in 1979.
what did your parents do when they came here?
My dad owned a restaurant.
Okay. They serve spicy food like this?
They did. It was actually Mexican food.
Really?
Yeah, I'd have never had any of the spicy food for obvious reasons. I'm about to tap out on this one. Yeah. They had a restaurant downtown LA, and my parents both worked there. I'd go down on the weekends and work. So,
How do you get Israeli Mexican food?
you hire a cook.
Was it like a fusion or was it just straight?
No, it's straight Mexican food. It went through different iterations, but it was always with a Mexican bent to it. So it was a seafood restaurant for a while, but it was more with a Mexican seafood bent to it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just in pain right now. I can't concentrate.
All right, let's ratchet up the heat a little bit.
Oh, you're kidding me.
So
This was the hot one, right?
no, that's,
He accidentally went backwards.
no, I wish.
Wow.
So we got carne asada tacos. This is La Venganza Verde. This is about 200,000 Scoville. So that'll give you a tingle.
Yeah.
Can we get some napkins by chance?
Yeah.
Because I can feel it. It's coming.
There's a little tear forming right here. Can you catch that? Whew. Oh, wow. And we got refills on all this stuff, right?
Nope. Once you run out of horchata, you're out. So use it wisely.
Wow.
Only I get refills. Whew. Man.
All right.
Thank you. Some of them just hit as soon as you touch it. Then others are a little more gentle and gradual.
This one's building up. I can taste it.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
The gentle and gradual ones are not nice. Because as you're talking, it just gets worse.
Yeah,
and
well, I
worse
can feel the
and worse.
heat just building up.
Right?
I'm the first one in my family. Wow, that's really sneaking up. Now it was the mouth. Now it's like down over here. And that's number 2.
That's number 2.
Wow. I like embarrass myself on camera. First one in my family, you do graduate college. And first one in my family, you get a graduate degree. Wow. We may need to finish this another day. You said 3 is when it gets hot.
It's a little early to be sweating. They changed the order.
I'm telling
on
you,
me.
they switched these up.
Oh, man.
Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, just first one to go to college. I can't even follow my train of thought right now because I'm just focused on the pain, and I do feel it's here for me.
Let me guide you. Where'd you go to college?
I went to Arizona State.
The prestigious university. How much fun did you have at Arizona State?
I had a lot of fun at Arizona State. I hope my daughter's in college now doesn't watch this. But I had a really good time at Arizona State. That was a lot of fun.
And then what'd you major in?
Human resource management.
Did you want to go into human resources, or was it one of
No,
those
it was just
nonsensical majors?
I knew I was going to get a business degree, and that name was longer, and I thought it would be kind of cooler to have a longer name on your degree. I kid you not. That was pretty much what went into it.
And then how does it change from human resources management and business to law?
So I'll tell you the real story. I'd like to say that I was drawn to the law, that I wanted to represent
vision one
people. I had
day.
a vision. I didn't know what I wanted to do after graduating, and going to law school sounded like a cool thing. So I just applied. I took the LSAT. I applied. I got in, and I went.
Nice.
Yeah.
And where'd you go to law school at?
Loyola, downtown LA.
Not so prestigious, but it's okay.
Hey, gentlemen, we got the next one's coming up. Tacos del Pastor.
Oh man.
I'm gonna keep this one a secret for you guys.
You're gonna keep it a secret?
Yeah, this one's at 500,000 Scolovin.
Oh.
We still got a ways to go. gentlemen.
Like, I can feel it. It's starting to build up.
I will tell you, at $1 million, that's when it just hurts. But then at like 2 million, you just get high. And so it's pretty great. Cheers.
Don't know why I agreed to do this.
Because you didn't know, Dan.
Here we go.
How's that one?
That's another one of the sneak attack ones.
See, not for me. That one punched me in the face.
You can feel it building up. You want to tap out?
No.
We can end this right now.
No. I'll never tap.
Oh, man.
So you go to law school, and I imagine you had no idea what kind of law you wanted to practice.
I think when I first went to law school, I didn't even intend to practice law. I just wanted the law degree and go do so. I kid you not, it's all happenstance that I'm even here. But yeah, didn't know, just went through law school, did well, graduated. It was a really bad job market when I came out of law school. What are we talking about? I remember I sent out 100 resumes to different law firms, because back then there was no email or internet.
Did you actually did you drop them off, or was it like postage?
No, it was like on the stone. Ding, 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 ding. I was writing them out. No, actually I had to drop them off and mail them in. And got, I still have the letters. I kept them. I just found them. Got like 100 rejection letters. And one firm called me in for an interview.
What was that firm?
It was Black Compy and Hall and Lenneman back then.
Is that why you went defense initially, or was it?
That was it, yeah.
So you were applying to everything.
Applying to everything under the sun, big firms, small firms. And Black Compian was It's a mid-sized firm, and I guess it was on the smaller side. It was about 7 attorneys at the time, and that's how I got into insurance. They happened to be insurance coverage attorneys and bad faith attorneys, and
So you didn't even choose this life. It literally chose you.
yeah, didn't even know what insurance coverage and bad faith was. Went in for the interview. I looked up the some of the published appellate opinions that they had and read some of them. Didn't understand a thing, but just enough to get through the interview.
Use the right words.
Just pick up the buzzwords. Didn't know what the hell I was talking about.
They were one of the few firms that didn't ask follow-up questions.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, I hope they're not regretting it. But yeah, that's how basically it happened. I mean, that's how I got into my career.
And then you kind of worked your way up the ladder, and you ultimately became a partner there, right?
Yeah. After about 5 years, became a partner. Built my own book of business, primarily insurance companies.
Okay. Oh man.
This one's called La Martada Furiosa, 1.1 million scholar, and this is actually my personal favorite.
What does that mean?
Furious.
Martada Furiosa?
Yeah.
So the salsa is a martajada, Furiosa is like furious.
Oh,
So
sweet.
I don't want to eat anything that has Furious in the name.
Oh man.
I'm gonna watch you first.
Oh yeah. You're gonna see how bad it is.
I want to see it hit your face.
All right. Head fake.
I can see some sweat there.
What did he say that was? How many? How much? 1.1? Yeah, it's just a million I told you about.
Whew. Wow.
This is not pleasant.
None of this. Oh God, just went down my throat. None of this is pleasant.
It's a good taco pairing though, because the chicken kind of softens it at the end. I don't even know if that's chicken. I'm assuming it's chicken.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm wrong at this point.
It's a little zesty too, which is nice.
Oh,
I gotta say, this one wasn't as bad as the other ones.
really?
Yeah. Maybe I'll regret saying those words in a couple of minutes, but yeah, I think the last one was a lot more than this.
It's getting that light little head high going.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, all of a sudden he's a big, strong man.
Whenever you want to tap out, Kale, go right ahead. This was 4 of 5, right?
This was 4 of 6.
6.
4 of 6.
All right.
So you're doing insurance defense, bad faith, and what was that like initially?
So, I mean, the first few years, you're just learning the ropes. You have to learn a whole new language. You know, insurance is something that's just foreign to most people.
Yeah. Even after they've been doing it for
Even after doing this for a while, yeah. I mean, a lot of attorneys that aren't insurance attorneys, when you start talking to them, they're just, you know, beyond like the first level, it's just gone. It was fun, and for some reason, I mean, it just really, it's coming up now. It was just really luck, I think, that I ended up at an insurance coverage and bad faith firm, because for some reason it molded with the way I think. And contract. Well, it's very layered. So it's layer upon layer. So you have to go through layer 1, answer that question, then you go to layer 2. Whereas I think personal injury and some of the other liability cases, it all just comes at you. And it's not just
on the fly.
Right. It's not just one thing. So this is like it's like peeling an onion. You go through one layer, then you get to the next, and it's
Bad faith is like onions.
bad faith is like onions. They make you cry, just like tacos. Yeah. So for some reason, it just kind of molded with the way I think, and it really worked out, and you know, able to do very well in it. And you know, but again, primarily insurance company. So first 5 years you're learning, you're coming up the ropes, and then after that, you got your own book of business, and you're calling the shots on cases. It becomes a little different.
Yeah. Your decisions are your fault at the end.
Exactly. Yeah. You're not looking to a partner to tell you what to do or to review your work. Now it's your stuff.
Yeah. Done with red lines and on to the
Yeah, exactly.
judge screaming at you.
That's
not
it,
somebody
yeah.
Else.
All right, on to the next. We have grilled chicken. This is called the Devil's Ashes. Las cenizas del diablo. So this is rated at 2.1 million. So enjoy, gentlemen. Good luck.
So this was $1 million?
No, that was
1.5.
1.5.
Something around there.
Okay.
This one is at 2.1. I'm gonna start bringing out fire extinguishers for the next one.
Yeah.
I will tell you, this is my least favorite one. I would rather have the last one than this one. Just to get you excited for it.
Here we go. I'm hungry now. I want to eat the whole taco, but I don't dare. Okay, you ready? I'll go first. This
You
time,
go
since
first
You
this
went
time.
first.
I have sweat dripping into my eye.
Oh. There's one punches you in the face.
Yeah.
I feel my throat closing up. Thank God for horchata.
Yeah.
People actually eat this stuff because they enjoy it.
So, you make partner, and then you got your book of business, and you decide to leave it all and go to plaintiff's side.
Yeah.
What prompts that?
So the difference between, plaintiff and defense, we represent the injured people, right? So we represent people that are, their lives are devastated, they're upside down, they lost a loved one. They're hurt, they're in a wheelchair, whatnot. When we win, when we resolve a case, when we get a good resolution for the client, we're really helping them out. I mean, we're helping them out in their life. It's
You mean you
not
didn't
like
help
that.
insurance companies?
I help them. So when you represent an insurance company, here we go, Rodney knows.
You're doing surprisingly well.
I am doing surprisingly well. I thought
I'm kind of shocked. I'm over here crying, and you're keeping coherent.
When you represent an insurance company, your job is to pay the least amount of money, right? So you're trying to save the insurance company money. And if you're very good at it, you save insurance companies a lot of money. And there's really, other than the...
And they're so grateful afterwards, right?
You're only as good as your last case with an insurance company, right? And so there's really no, other than, the satisfaction of winning, personally, you're not helping anybody, you're not moving anybody, you're not making anybody's life better.
If anything, you're making people's lives worse.
Right. And if I do my job really well, this person that's in a wheelchair or, lost a loved one is not going to get as much as they deserve. And so that didn't sit well with me. So after about 12 to 15 years of doing it, I decided I needed to change. And I had a couple of cases where I was on the opposite side of Paris, and really, really liked what you guys were doing. And so I didn't go to anybody else. I went straight to Paris and said, hey, I want to do this, and here's what I want to do for you.
And it's been a journey ever
It's
since.
been a journey, yeah. This month or next month is 11 years.
That's wild.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, we're ready for the final.
No.
So this one's between 2.6 and 3 million.
Gee.
That makes this one special for you guys. It's had a special name, the waiver.
The liability waiver.
So congratulations, gentlemen. You've made it this far, thus far.
I like the chips. Like, we're going to dip into the salsa and eat them.
Enjoy. Good luck. Let me shake your hand. We don't know.
May never talk to us again.
Yeah.
All right, gentlemen, enjoy.
Is there a defibrillator around here somewhere, just in case?
I'll make you a deal. No horchata on this one.
No.
No water.
I'm not doing
Whoever
that.
can last the longest.
No. I don't need the bragging rights. And you know what? They put extra sauce on this one. Extra salsa.
I like how they make certain to get both ends.
Yeah, so you can't bite
Yeah.
it. They did put extra salsa on this. But they weren't as generous on the other ones.
All right, bottoms
Here we
up.
go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Want some water?
Nope.
That is.
I don't think I cried this much on one of these. Are you just meditating right now?
I gotta be honest, it's not as bad as like number
Did you
1 or
dodge
2.
the?
No, I didn't. I took a
Take
bite.
another bite. Be,
I'm not
be
gonna
honest
get another bite.
about
Really?
it.
I'll finish this taco if you finish that one.
No.
Come on.
Just take one more bite, Dan. Don't be scared.
What do I, Woo. What do I get?
For you get fame.
Okay. Ready? I'm gonna regret this.
We've got it right here. We can pour some more on there.
No.
It's actually warm to the touch. What the hell? What is wrong with you? This is unbelievably painful. I give up.
I do feel the tears. I just wanted the bragging rights.
Oh man.
Oh my God, that hurts.
You've got some commitment, man. Wow. Whew. All right.
Get some cold water.
Oh, thank you.
More chata for you, gentlemen?
I'll take some, please.
I'm good.
I'm good. I'm good.
Maybe I should be hosting these things.
No. Man. Looks like all that time in the Mexican restaurant paid off.
Yeah.
Who knew?
I was a ringer. I'm telling you, the first one was just as bad as this one.
I bet you they switched your order.
Maybe. Because the first one was
That
pretty
would be
hot.
a cruel joke, by the way. All right, let's talk a little bit about substance.
Can you talk?
Not really.
Oh, I could feel it now. Now it's like coating my throat. Yeah.
Man. This one's getting worse and worse.
Yeah,
and
it
worse.
is.
All right. So, bad faith, plaintiff side. We've been hearing a lot about the setup defense. Have you heard of that?
Yes. I've
Explain
heard
to-
a lot about setup defense.
Explain to us what that is and what your thoughts are on it.
Oh, wow. I should not have taken that second bite.
And we don't have all day, so make it choppy.
I can't talk. What's the setup defense? So, a lot of times in bad faith, we will make a policy limit settlement demand to the insurance company. If the insurance company rejects it, it is then liable for the entire amount of the claim against the insured. All right, so if the insured gets into a car accident, wow. Whew. I'll take some more. So if the insured gets into a car accident, causes a severe injury, the plaintiff files a lawsuit, the insurance company refuses to settle, the insurance company is now liable for the whole thing, including the amounts beyond the policy limits. And so what insurance companies will argue is that when the settlement demand was made, it was a quote-unquote setup. It was designed for the insurance company to reject it, and therefore the insurance company got set up. That's a comical defense to me. First of all, it's a non-existent defense. There's no such thing.
Yeah.
And, how can you set somebody up? What are we, in the adjuster's cubicle, writing the rejection letter, right? The insurance companies have to play by a certain set of rules. And when they don't fulfill their obligations, they don't play by the rules, they are then liable for bad faith. My lips are burning out.
Oh, yeah. It like
Thank
moves
you.
around
It does.
gradually. I always like asking the last question because it's worse when you talk.
It is, it really is.
So I don't have to talk. I just get to hear you guys
Yeah.
talk.
Yeah, thank you. So, so the setup defense is a non-existent defense. There's nothing we can do as plaintiff attorneys to stop the insurance company from paying. That's their decision. It's not our decision. We supply them with the information. The rules require them to take certain actions. If they don't, then they're liable. There's no setup. If they do what they're supposed to do, which is protect their insureds, their liability will be capped at the policy limits.
Keep mixing up my tear napkin and my mouth napkin.
You're gonna put some hot sauce in your
I
eyes.
think I've already gotten there. What I don't understand about the setup defense is the person who gets screwed if a judge were to fall for this setup defense is the insured. Right? The insurance
Yes.
company's insured.
Exactly. Yeah. So if the insurance company doesn't settle and we end up going to trial, the judgment is against the insured. Right? The insured owes that money. And when the insurance company is saying, "Oh, we've been set up," this is part and parcel for insurance companies. They never want to pay.
Right.
They want to take your premium, but they
Right.
don't want to pay when it comes time. So it's the insured that ends up holding the bag, right?
Oh.
They're the ones that owe the money. They're the ones that have to declare bankruptcy if they can't afford to pay it. They're the ones that can lose their homes, their cars, their savings.
I'm shocked at how well you got through that. I'm not going to lie. I really thought you were just going to stumble.
Here, you want me to eat the rest
If
of
we
it?
ever have Dan back on, we're going up to 10 million because apparently the guy's immune to spicy stuff.
I do not like spicy stuff.
All right, Dan. Anything else you want to talk about? Anything you want to leave us with?
Anything you want me to leave you with?
It's your episode, man.
Maybe some advice for young attorneys?
Sure. You got any advice for young attorneys?
Yeah, my advice to young attorneys is stop whining. Do your job. Your first 2-3 years, you're learning. Work hard. Talk to older attorneys. Pay attention. Volunteer. Really try to learn and absorb, because the more work you do in the beginning, the more payoff there will be for you at the end. And I see a lot of young attorneys now that just kind of want to come in and do the 9 to 5 and go home. And you're just not going to learn that way.
Your associates must just love you.
They do.
Stop whining. Get to work.
Stop whining. Don't come into my office whining about having to work on the weekends.
Listen, that's good advice. My first 3, 4, 5 years, it's nonstop, and I'm so happy it was.
Absolutely, because that's where you learn your work ethic. And when you're young and you come out of law school, you're a sponge, right? You're just
You're a sponge.
absorbing everything.
And everybody coming out of law school starts at a beginning line, and it starts all over.
Yep.
Doesn't matter what your rank was in class.
Yeah.
You all know the same, which is nothing.
It was just my daughter just started college, and remember the application process of going through colleges, and she wants to go here and there. And I remember telling her, where you went to school is important for that first interview that you have, that first job. Beyond that, it's all what you do.
Yep.
And the more time you put into it, the more time you invest in it, the better off you'll be down the back end. Nobody other than Cale Parris asked me where I went to law school.
And only with spicy food in front of you.
Only when he's trying to give me a heart attack with really spicy food.
All right. With that, we'll call it a wrap. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, Mi Ranchito. You guys are awesome, as always, for trying to kill us. We appreciate it.